Hi everybody, let's see some 8 amazing brain boosting activities, so don't skip and watch the full video. Matching images with paper cups is like a cool game where kids find two pictures that look the same. It's like a magical treasure hunt where they uncover hidden secrets under the cup. When they find the right matches, it's like solving a mystery and it makes them feel super smart. This game helps kids practice paying attention and remembering things, which is great for school and life. So this is a game of joining the colors. I have arranged the blocks and they have to match the colors in the same order. This activity is like a fun game where kids learn to tell colors apart. It's a great way for them to improve their eyesight and brain skills. In this activity, they practice recognizing different colors like red, blue, green, etc. It's a bit like a treasure hunt for colors. By doing this, kids become better at noticing even the tiniest color differences. It helps them in school where they are reading and writing. This game is not just about colors, it's about making their brains super sharp. They become awesome at noticing the colors around them, like in traffic light or on their clothes. And the best part is, it's a game they can play anywhere. So joining a color visual discrimination activity is like stepping into a world of colors, creativity, and brain boosting fun. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find the right match, but that's okay. It shows them that they keep trying, that they can overcome challenges and reach their goals. So joining a color visual discrimination activity is a fantastic way for kids to learn and have a great time while becoming even better at seeing and understanding colors. Color coding using a grid is like using colors to organize and make things easier to understand. It's a helpful tool that people use in many different situations. This makes it simpler to find what you need and remember where things belong. For example, in school you might use colors to separate subjects like math or science, or at home you could use it to keep your toys or clothes organized. Color coding helps you to be more efficient and reduces confusion. It's a bit like having a secret code that you only understand, making things tidier and easier to manage. Assigning colors to specific information helps your brain connect colors to ideas or categories. This association can make it easier to recall and remember details. When you color code, your brain focuses on differentiating different colors and categories. It's like a mental exercise that haunts your attention. It's also providing your mind with a clear map, helping it navigate and process information more effectively. Color coding simplifies complex data. Instead of shifting through a mass of information, your brain can easily spot patterns, trends, or specific items, which reduces the cognitive load. Using colors to represent concepts or ideas encourages creative thinking. It can lead to innovative problem solving and more enjoyable learning experience. It's like adding a touch of artistry to your thought process. So here I've used some variations. You can just try any kind of variation and ask your child to do it. Color coding in a grid is like creating a colorful map for your tasks or information. It's a game changer for being super organized and productive. When you color code, you can quickly spot patterns and connections between things. It's like drawing lines between dots, helping you see the bigger picture. This is super handy for making decisions and problem solving. In school, coding color can make studying a breeze. You can use different colors to highlight important points, dates, or topics, making studying less stressful and more fun. In essence, color coding with a grid is like giving your brain a user-friendly toolkit to process, remember, and work with information more effectively. It streamlines cognitive processes, making tasks more manageable and enjoyable. And this is a toothpick activity. This activity encourages kids to use their imagination. They can take toothpicks and turn them into a tiny person or character, or as in the picture. It's like a miniature art project. It helps improve their fine motor skills. They need to be precise in placing toothpicks to resemble the picture, which strengthens their hand-eye coordination. It's a bit like solving a puzzle. Kids analyze the picture and figure out how to use toothpicks to match it. This promotes critical thinking and problem solving skills. Assembling a toothpick man takes time and patience. If something doesn't work, they need to try again. It's a lesson in persistence and resilience. Kids learn to pay attention to the details in this picture. This can help them become more observant and detail oriented in other areas of life. It can be a fun group activity like a mini team project. It's an excellent opportunity for kids to bond with friends or family. Successfully recreating the toothpick man instills a sense of accomplishment, boosting a child's confidence and self esteem. So here I have used 4 different variations. You can try any number of variation, and this is the beginner level. Children can adapt a toothpick man to resemble different people or characters. Kids learn to remember the picture and how to replicate it, enhancing their memory skills. Encouraging kids to adapt and modify their toothpick creations encourages innovative thinking. It's like giving them a platform for experimenting and inventing. The focused, hands-on nature of this activity can be relaxing and meditative experience, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. It can be an opportunity to discuss sustainability and eco-friendliness as toothpicks are typically made from wood. This may spark conversations about responsible resource use, etc. As kids work on this activity, they unknowingly engage with mathematical concepts like geometry in arranging toothpicks and proportion to ensure the toothpick man looks like the picture. It's a great way to improve a child's attention span. Completing a toothpick man may require time and concentration, helping them learn to focus on tasks. Engaging both the left and right hemispheres of the brain together, each performing different tasks, can have several benefits. The left hemisphere typically handles logic, language, and analytical thinking, while the right hemisphere deals with creativity, imagination, and spatial awareness. Combining these abilities can lead to more comprehensive problem solving. If you're gaining knowledge watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Creating a learning activity where kids identify and write letters placed in different shaped box offers several benefits. It helps kids learn and recognize specific letters more effectively. Associating letters with shapes makes the learning process fun and memorable. The different shapes of the boxes require kids to use their visual discrimination skills to match the correct letter with the corresponding shape. This enhances their ability to identify differences and similarities. Writing the letters requires fine motor skills, improving their hand-eye coordination. Learning vowels is a fundamental step in early literacy. This activity lays the groundwork for reading and spelling by focusing on key letters. Kids must think critically to match the correct letter with the shape. It's like solving a puzzle, encouraging logical thinking. Associating letters with shapes and writing them down helps kids remember and recall the letters more easily. The playful aspect of putting letters in different shapes adds an element of enjoyment to learning, making it more appealing to children. As children successfully complete this activity, they build confidence in their ability to identify and write letters, which is essential for future learning. This activity teaches kids to organize and categorize information, an important skill in everyday life. Memorizing which vowel goes into which shape is an exercise in memory, which can improve their ability to remember information. This activity reinforces the relationship between letters and their corresponding sounds, an essential foundation for reading and writing. As children successfully complete this activity, they build confidence in their ability to identify and write letters, which is essential for future learning. In conclusion, this activity is not just about matching letters to shapes, it's a comprehensive learning experience that nurtures various skills, including letter recognition, fine motor skills, and critical thinking, all while making learning enjoyable for kids. Arranging paper cups in a sequence according to a given number, such as creating a pyramid, offers numerous benefits, particularly for child's development. It helps child understand numbers and their sequence. They learn to count and order numbers from 1 to the desired value, promoting basic numeracy. Building a pyramid involves spatial reasoning. Kids must figure out how to arrange the cups to create a stable structure, improving their spatial awareness and problem solving abilities. Placing the cups in a precise sequence requires good hand eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's like a hands on exercise for the developing motor skills. Constructing a pyramid can be challenging and it teaches kids patience and the value of persistence. It's an excellent way to instill a keep trying attitude. To form a pyramid, children need to differentiate between various cups positions and sizes, enhancing their visual discrimination skills. They learn about concepts like symmetry, balance, and proportion, which are important in mathematics and other subjects. While following a sequence, kids can also experiment with different cup arrangements, encouraging creativity and imaginative thinking. Completing a pyramid can be rewarding and boosts a child's self-esteem. It shows that their effort and concentration they can accomplish complex tasks. So, arranging paper cups in a numerical sequence to form a pyramid is more than just a game. It's a valuable learning experience that nurtures various skills from numeracy to spatial awareness and creativity, all while making learning a fun and engaging activity. Let's empower the future, help your kids thrive with brain boosting activities. Try this out with your little ones and watch their minds flourish. Please take a moment to comment and let us know which activity your child enjoyed the most. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up by liking this video, share it with other parents who would love these ideas, and subscribe to my channel for more enriching content. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you even more educational and fun activities for your little ones. Thank you for watching.